Good evening everyone, this is Grant from StonePressions. Tonight I'm going to demonstrate the heat resistance of our epoxy countertops by demonstrating what happens if I put a pot of boiling water directly off the stove onto my own counter. Here you can see the pot is definitely boiling, and there it is on my counter. We'll let that sit there for a couple of seconds, and then I will show you that there is absolutely no damage to the countertop. These counters can take temperatures up to 425 degrees without deformation, color change, or blistering.
You
can see the counter did pick up some temperature, not much, from the pot, and absolutely no damage. Hope you all have a nice evening.